Hi guys, today I'm going to show you my technique for how I use the selection tool. So up here is called the selection tool, and within there are several different ways you can make a selection. So for this one I am going to show you how I just use the quick selection. Right now it's a minus, it needs to be a plus up here, and I fill in my character. Going real long, you hold down your mouse. Make sure everything is selected. Now, on purpose, I went outside of the line right here. I did that so I can show you how to use the minus. So let me zoom in, and I clicked on the minus tool up here. And you just click in there. I'm going to have to make it a little bit smaller. Oops, wrong spot. Make it just a little bit smaller, probably a little more smaller. And get in those little crevices so you don't see any white when you move your subject. Gotta switch to the plus. There we go. And we got a little bit up here with his finger. There we go. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to move my clown over to where I want it to go. So I'm going to click and drag it. I'm going to stick it right down here, up in here. And I don't want some of that to be showing, so I'm going to go to the eraser and erase that. Okay, now I'm going to go on to my werewolf. So for this one, I'm going to show you a different technique, which is the object selection tool. So for this, you click that, click and drag. Let's see how well it does this. So you click and drag, and while it's configuring, oh, look, just like that, it selected it. I should have used that one for the clown, but I had to show you what to do. So I'm going to drag into the picture of my scream I made. I didn't make that. Edward Munch did. I probably butchered that name, but that's okay. I'm going to stick him right there, and then also part of him is showing that I really don't want shown, so I'm going to make that go away. Boop. There. Okay, so now I'm going to go to my witch doctor, and I'm going to go to the magic wand tool. For this one, you click the background, and then you click select inverse, and then that gets my witch doctor. Drag and drop. So you'll see some of the selection tools are better to use for certain things than others. Put them right there, and then I'm going to use my eraser and erase that. Okay, and my last one, Scooby-Doo. Okay, so this one I'm going to use my magic wand tool because it just seems best for him. Okay, and I selected the background, select inverse, and then I'm going to drag him and drop him right here. I'm going to cover up the scream as best as I can. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to get them all covered up, but to a point where you won't recognize him. Okay, and then there you go. Let me get my eraser, erase the bottom so I got my nice little border going on. And there is your selection tools. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.